First, the top news headlines. Pervez Musharraf sentenced to death by Pakistan court in high treason case. Peace rally is taken out demanding early solution of Indo-Naga talks. And respect their rights. US tells India on citizenship law protesters. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Pakistan's former dictator Pervez Musharraf was today sentenced to death in the high treason case by a special court, becoming the first military ruler to receive the capital punishment in the country's history. According to a media report, a three-member bench of the special court headed by Peshawar High Court Chief Justice Wakar Ahmad said handed 76-year-old Musharraf death sentence in the long-drawn high treason case against him for suspending the constitution and imposing emergency rule in 2007, a punishable offence for which he was indicted in 2014. The reports also said the court issued a 2-1 split verdict and its details would be announced in the next 48 hours. The former army chief left for Dubai for medical treatment in March 2016 and has not returned since, citing security and health reasons. This special court's order came despite an earlier Islamabad High Court IHC order stopping it from issuing the verdict. Peace rallies were taken out in Manipur's 5 Naga-dominated districts of Chandel, Kamjong, Senapati, Tamenglong and Ukhrul today, organized by the United Naga Council UNC, the apex body of Nagas in Manipur. The rallies showed their support for an early solution to the ongoing Naga talks between Government of India and Naga groups led by National Socialist Council of Nagaland, NSC and IM. The rallies began from 11 a.m. onwards. At Tamenglong district headquarters, the rally was carried out by 4 tribes, Rongmei, Liangmei, Jemei and Inpui. The rally that started from Apollo ground culminated at DC office, Tamenglong, where they submitted a memorandum to the Deputy Commissioner. Thousands of supporters came out in the streets and joined the massive rally, during which slogans were chanted. Naga Women Union President Asha Wungam told TOMTV that the peace rallies in the 5 districts have drawn the attention of the center to expedite the peace process. The Naga people want a logical and honorable political solution to Naga problems, she added.
Ngasi ekoina United Naga Council ki makhada 4 district Naga ki 4 domain district Senapati, Tamenglong, Ukhrul and Chandel. Sida organize tawri base karigino hai kanda center da koi gi Naga people gi wish se ekoina Santi permanent peace ama purak pasi pam khre athu bada solution ama purak piro haibege message se ekoi pining bage ekoi masida ekoi organize this tawjabani Indo-Naga peace process ase hojik 23 years running oikhre.
The United States had called upon authorities in India to protect and respect the right of people who are peacefully protesting against the Citizenship Amendment Act or CAA. We urge authorities to protect and respect the right of peaceful assembly, a State Department spokesperson said today in a statement backing protests that have been spreading and have come under criticism for the use of excessive force by law enforcement personnel. A statement in support of protesters was significant, it was pointed out by observers, coming so close to the second edition of the annual 2+2 ministerial meetings of the Foreign and Defense Ministers of the United States and India to be held in Washington, D.C. tomorrow. A media report said the protest over CAA and Jammu and Kashmir could figure in the talks. according to people familiar with the discussion points. Internet services resume in Assam from 3 p.m. today after the Guwahati High Court ordered the Assam government to restore the internet services. As per media reports, internet services in the Brahmaputra Valley of Assam remain suspended since 11th of this month following the violent protests against Citizenship Amendment Act erupted in the state. Assam government officials had said internet services were shut down to prevent alleged misuse of social media in disturbing peace and to maintain law and order in the state. Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up next, dustbins installed at More Town.
Your favorite satellite channel Times of Manipur TOMTV is now on Airtel Digital TV on channel number 646. Yang what?
Soktabana loidi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Soktabadu koknaba rebalance. Rebalance na haksang salt amadi electrolytes singi awatpa mekhatuna adongi haksangbu tagat tikna thambang amali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Lengsin bidau. Hangbiragani mafam asida makhal kaya gi genuine oiba imported amasung Indian brand gi fitness and bodybuilding supplements sing. Loina na Indian brand Green X Nutrition gi distributors oizari. Ngasimang lengsin biro anti-nutrition store Iron Gym, Singzamay Sapam Laikai near Singzamay Parking. Contact us at 730-86-92560.
Khurumjari Lamjingba Finance na makal khudingmaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment sing ba loan pisari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani.
Amadi adom gi achin ba thu bagi damak mayamna wabiragano. Makal khudingmaki gari kaya su bandan lawzare. Christmas ki oiba khadaba offer su pisari.
Akupa marol gi damakta lengsin birau Lamjingba Finance, Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Nitainanda Temple, Natragana
Lamjingba Finance Uripok Havam Diwan Lekai.
Ekoi gi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Welcome back after the break. With an objective to maintain cleanliness, dustbins were installed at More Town today under the guidance of ADC Chandal Chairman D. Ringo Lamkang. In this connection, a program was held at the office of Hill Tribal Council More, during which Vice Chairman ADC Chandal Tongpao Mate, Member Chinnaiwei Hauke, Chief Executive Officer K.S.A. Siddharth and representatives of various More-based social organizations were present. Tongpao Mate said that the dustbins were installed for the first phase as a part of the measures to keep More Town clean, as it is one of the important places for Act East policy, besides being a tourist hotspot. He also urged all civil society organizations in More to extend support and join the effort to keep the town clean.
More Town Autonomous District Council Chandel dustbin installation program masili third state finance 1920 gi lakpa matamda small town gi oina khaitang leihibado ekoi anirak subu oina district headquarter Chandel amasung More hairi town ani sida ekoina dustbins haibsi national cleanliness day ka samnana loinana ekoi gi huji sarkar na paikhaliba mayam ge chawkhatpa natraga lamdam sida nida clean leiba yahanaba haibsi district council Chandel na su executive committee na resolve to go matungda honorable chairman amasung executive member mayam aduga administrator yauna decision nama lawra ngasi si More sida dustbin installation program su paikhatpa.
A team led by Fungyar constituency MLA K. Lacio today paid an inspection visit to some of the infrastructure development works, including the mini secretariat being taken up in Kamjong district. He was accompanied by Kamjong Deputy Commissioner K. Juringla, K. Ramsang of Autonomous District Council, Kamjong during the visit. The MLA during the visit advised all concerned individuals related to the ongoing developmental works in the district to maintain quality work. While talking to journalists on the sidelines of the visit, K. Lacio Kamjong said Kamjong administration is still weak due to poor infrastructure. He said that taking up developmental works in the district is a challenging task since the district faces frequent landslides. As such, he underlined on maintaining quality work while taking up any project. During the visit, PMJAY cards were also distributed to around 1,000 villages. The 50-year-old Comren Union has been dissolved, according to President of Aimol Tribe Union, Akhel Aimol. All the indigenous tribal communities, namely Kom, Chiru, Koireng and Purum, which were once a part of the Comren Union, have now formed their own unions. Akhel Aimol informed reporters today at Manipur Press Club, Imphal. Akhel Aimol maintained that under the modification order number 956 laid down by the Government of India, all the mentioned groups are now identified as indigenous tribes. He also urged the masses to stop blindly believing Sarkhomang Sartu's statement, a self-proclaimed president of Aimol Tribe Union.
As Sarkhomang Sartu, President Comren Union Asina, Ekogi tribe Mayam Singsi minority, indigenous minority tribe Singsi, Ayabi Yaudana, dictate and shape style oina, Masagi vested interest, Sarkhomang Sartona. Ay Comren ke president na haiba put asi mayambo mamang du utchai bane mas ekoi yaning de isa ge tribe ku oiba ekoi ge president sing lei hanna leiramba ekoi ge Comren haiba adu ge put chidi hujik ti leitre isa ge oina lei hoi matam khari ge matung de ekoi mas modify tawraga siamba haina ekoi in principle la understanding amada tawraga adum lei jabni.
On the other hand, Com Union President L. Kaikam Com said that the Com Union was set up in January 12, 2019. He also appealed to the public members to contact the concerned tribe for any program or update in future.
Hujiki tribe mari mangase aikoi pullaga Comren Union semli bani haibase ngasi aina mayam da hayaningba amadi ma se sumnatagi mamingtagi oina mana Comren Union President hayabane mi haibase amatta leitrabane haibase mayam mamangda ai phongdok jari aduga Manipur da leiriba civil society adagi media singna samiduna Comren Union haibase leitre haibase ngasi miyam na khangbiu haibagi ngasi aikoi press club ta suma wahi khitang thamjabane.
The joint SSA and Ramsa Teachers Association Manipur has urged for a permanent solution to the problem of irregular salary payment. The association held a press meet at Manipur Press Club, Imphal, today in this regard. Vice President of the association, Nongmaithem Prakash Chandra, claimed that SSA and Ramsa teachers are not getting the regular salary and allowance. He said that they have got only 2-3 months' salary after working nearly 10 months. The association also lamented that they do not get benefits like other government employees.
School Pagaji Mikangi Makada posting Pidana, education system was Shamgot Doribisida, SSA, RMSA, Ozazina, 50% Hena, Youngland Suru in Pugudoribini. Adubu, Akogi Hojiki, Sakao Hangon labor problems in Na, Ozazin Si, Matoning Tina, Tawangam Holoidabagi, Achobama di Mayoknari. Manipuri Langakna. Haidoki Bawangakpa, Langaki was succeeding ado, Akogi Makoni Pini demand of giving Christmas Mamanga, was asking in Ingmatung and Mawena, absorption to Widena, was asking Puning Laitana, Manipur, Shamkatpada, a so good Hogdang Lahonba, or Henview Hibisi, as you my Kaida, I hang upon Doctory.
A combined team of Imphal West Commando and 15 Assam Rifles arrested 2 cadres of the proscribed People's Liberation Army PLA, the armed wing of Revolutionary People's Front RPF. According to a police report, Oinam Naubasing alias Japan, age 27, son of Oinam Bhogen, was arrested from Nambol Oinam Maninglekai yesterday around 3 p.m. During spot verification, it was learned that he joined the outfit in 2008 through one Mutum Singhba alias Tomba of Nambol Onam Maninglekai. Separately, the same combined team arrested another cadre of PLA from Phaidinga Lamkhai under Sekmai police station later in the evening. He has been identified as Purit Sabam Rohit alias Menjor alias Malim Nganba, age 20 years, son of PH Robin from Kanto Kulen Maninglekai. Rohit joined the outfit in 2017 through a PLA captain named Mani Thoiba in 2017. He is said to be currently working under a lance corporal named Ichangba in Myanmar. The arrested has been handed over to Sekmai police station for further legal action. Hill Leaders Day and Miyamgi Numit will be held jointly on December 21st as per a press release from Chief Minister's Secretariat Imphal. 109 Battalion CRPF Manipur and Nagaland sector organized a culinary fest cum medical camp at CRPF camp Mongsangay today. The camp was organized under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat program. During the camp, checkup was conducted for heart-related diseases, diabetes and blood pressure. Deputy Inspector General of Medical CRPF Dr. Ashok Kumar, Commanding Officer of CRPF 109 Battalion Binod Kumar, Chief Medical Officer Deepak Kumar, Deputy Commandant of 109 Kiam Rajiv and other top officials attended the camp.
This program is really a mass achievement, that's what I can say. And to the nation, it's a very great thing. And especially now in a unit, when such things are made in an operational area, that gives a very good, emotional uplift. And it boosts the morale of our troops. Because at least for some time, our people feel that they are much relaxed and they're enjoying their periods during their career.
Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Manipur Miyamgi Nungairaba Paujel, British Clinical Excellence Award Panglaba, Heart Ke Ana Layang the Sahi Kuntragi Matak Experience Leraba, Dr. L. Shyam Kishore, Manipur Ge Ahan Mamasung Amatangairaba FRCP London Oiraba, Heart Specialist Asigi Makada, Sky Hospital da Pung Kumari Chupna, Heart Ki Makal Maka Keagi, Ana Layang Bagi Kudong Chaba Pangbigani, Miyam na Pambibagi Matung Inna, OPD, Consultation Su Pijari, Matamdi, Ayupung Nipandagi Amapauba, Nungtil Pung Anidagi Manga Fawa, Loinana RBS KG card Pirate Shingi Oinadi, OPD Amadi Eco Free Oizagani, Sky Hospital na Pijariba, Atopa Kudong Chaba Singshu, Lobby Ho, Akupa Marul Gidamak, Reception Ga Tanabi.
Admission open. Admission open. Sangai Tutorial Kwakatel. Class commencing revision course 5th December 2019. Timing 3:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Foundation course 9th December 2019. Special features mock test, printed study material, hostel for boys and girls, van services. For more details, please contact 8787 307 245. Admission open. New Public Higher Secondary School Kangabok. Pre-nursery to class 9. Academic session starts from 6 January 2020. Boarding for boys and girls separately. Extra class for all subjects of boarding section. Transportation, bus and van services. Admission fee for nursery only Rs 1,300 with tuition fee free and t-shirt free. For more details, please contact Principal New Public Higher Secondary School Kangapok. Contact number 700-527-3784 or 8731854982.
Takshila Institute, most trusted national brand with 27 centers span India. 21 plus years experience in NEET G coaching. Highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties. 25,000 plus success stories in the past 21 years. Online, offline, doubt clearing session. Study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell. Smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi. 24 hours Wi-Fi campus. Brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangwaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 600-944-5522.
Welcome back. Imphal West Commando conduct a house-to-house search operation today at Thangmaiban Yumnam Lekai near Assembly Complex under Lamphel Police Station in Imphal West. Around 120 people from 40 houses were verified during the operation. No one was picked or detained. A team of Kaching police seized a large quantity of illicit liquor from Palel area of Kaching district this afternoon. The police team, under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Elo Lokhomang Khongzai, conducted a special search drive at Palenthong, Wangmo of Kaching, during which the illicit DIC and foreign liquor were seized from one Taurangbam Chauba, aged 38, wife of Taurangbam Raju of Palenthong, Wangmo. Reportedly, the arrested along with the seized liquor was handed over to Kaching Excise Department for necessary legal action, a report said. The Meghalaya Cabinet has approved a resolution to be tabled and passed in the State Assembly on the need to implement the Inner Line Permit ILP in the state. The Meghalaya government will urge the centre to implement the ILP system under the Eastern Bengal Frontier Regulation 1873 in the state after the cabinet meeting today. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma told reporters that the cabinet unanimously approved the government resolution on the ILP and the same would be passed during a one-day special session by the State Assembly on December 19, a media report said. Commenting on the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA government delegation with Union Home Minister Amit Shah, the Chief Minister said the centre has demanded that the ILP be implemented in Meghalaya and the government has been very firm in this regard. Conrad added that the government informed the Union Home Minister that they would be going ahead with the resolution. The Delhi police today arrested 10 people in connection with a violent protest in Jamia Nagar. None of them are students from Jamia Millia Islamia University. The people who have been arrested have a criminal background. Earlier in the day, the Delhi police lodged an FIR against 15 people for their alleged involvement in the protest that took place on Sunday. The agitators had set ablaze 4 buses near New Friends Colony, injuring at least 6 policemen and 2 fire brigade personnel. Locals of the Sarai Julema are in Jamia Nagar had allegedly clashed with police. The situation turned critical when the police got into action. Several Jamia students are also said to have been injured in the clash. Around 100 students were also detained students by the police but were released later. Speaking to media, Chinmoy Biswal, Delhi Commissioner of Police Southeast, said that a mob of around 2,000 people turned violent and targeted public transport buses. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, Tenacity Tri Club will organize a sprint distance triathlon event on December 22nd at Kumalampak Sports Complex, Imphal. The event will be sponsored by JCRE. Member of Tenacity Tri Club, Rajkumar Charjal, announced this to media at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today.
Nomaising live December ki tang kuni thoida tawjagadaba event sina sprint distance haibsineba. Sprint distance haibagadi 750 meter iruiraga kilometer kun cycle thauraga kilometer manga chenba. Akoigi Manipur haiba stage da triathlon je nahawai chum tawpada sahi amada event am khatang oina organize tawe. Masigi event sina akoigi selection event oraga mapanda sapagi na. Aduna athlete sing chanaroi sing sigi moise event naksil kan khatang preparation tawba. Aduna moise tha ani hum preparation tawraga selection tawraga mapan chatleba. Akoina pusilebisina event se makhan yamaga di moi chahi chupa training tawwe aragadi mapan rom japa matam da chahi chupa tawrakpaga matam kitang tina tawrapaga khena base dum urakpa si khena base chahi mari manga dagi sum urakpa sum mapan longi sanaroi singna sum hengalakpagi phyu ama sum urakpa hana akoina dominate tawramba leram sport sida sida adumaina si sina akoigi sport sina event sina sumaina sum chahi khudingi sum pangthokpa oiragadi akoina khanjari sina sanaroi singda sporting thogotpa adegi cash prize piba ngamboidamta oina ayama sinjabani.
The Indian men's and women's hockey teams will open their campaigns against New Zealand and Netherlands respectively in the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. According to media reports, based on the match schedule of next year's Olympics released by the International Hockey Federation (FIH), both the Indian teams will open their campaigns on the first day of hockey competitions. The Tokyo Olympic begins on July 24th next. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Pervez Musharraf sentenced to death by Pakistan court in high treason case. Peace rallies taken out demanding early solution of Indo-Naga talks. And respect their rights, US tells India on citizenship law protesters. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.